Hello everybody. Now we'll discuss about the topic application integral. That means why we study integration. Okay? Why we study integration? Integration क्यों पढ़ें? क्या जरूरत क्या है? इसलिए हम पढ़ेंगे. तो कुछ एप्लीकेशन है, एप्लीकेशन यूजेस है, इसके लिए हम पढ़ें. वो क्या जरूरत है, वो किस काम में वो लगेगा, तो इसीलिए हम वो सोचते हैं. तो इसीलिए हम integration part. So now, what the applications are there? So that means to find the area for simple curve. Simple curve. That means can be line, can be that is a circle, can be ellipse, can be parabola, can be hyperbola. It is. Also, you can find the area between lines and the arcs of the circles, parabolas, ellipse, lines, etc. Similarly, also to find the volume of the solid, also to find the area of the surface of revolution, also to find the average value of the function. You have to find also probability density function or distribution function. You can find mass function, etc. You can find. That means in probability case you can apply the integral. Also you can find the arc length. Arc length by using integration you can find out. To find the distance, velocity, acceleration, also gravity, you have to find out using this integral. Okay. Similarly, to find force, work, power, energy, and fluid pressure. Okay, pressure you can find the this by using integral. Similarly, to find the moment of inertia, mass, density function, and integral circuits, you have to find out also using this integral. Similarly, to find the different economic aspects in stock marketing, okay, also in space technology, that different sector that is uses and application. So that's why it is necessary, very, very essential integration. First two step, that is to find the area under the simple curve. Let y is equal to fx be a simple curve. That you draw the curve line. Here y is equal to fx. From A to B, you have to find out the area. From A to B. So here, this you have to generate small strip. This is a small strip you have to generate. That strip's length is equal to dx. So these are the small strips. By using limits of technique, you have to take that to form as a rectangle. Now you have to find out the area of the rectangle. By taking this area of the rectangle, you find out the area. Similarly, here this length is equal to what? This length is equal to y. This is equal to dx. So that's why dx into y, this is the rectangle area. So that's why also same way this is the rectangle area. This length into breadth, this length into breadth, this length into breadth. After summation of this area, it is converted to total area. If the dx is very small, so that's why it is a area becomes to very approximate area. It comes to approximate area. So that's why you have to do or find out area by using this technique. Area is equal to y into dx. That is the area for this. By taking the limit from A to B, it is giving the summation of all area. So that's the total area of the curve y is equal to fx. Similarly, if another way also is there, if the curve is another pattern is there, that means you can say that the curve is this way suppose given. Means in y-axis concept is given. Y-axis concept is given. That means this is DC, This is D. That's why this generation comes what? This is equal to X is equal to Fy. Here Y is equal to Fx is given. Y is equal to Fx is given. So the increase, okay, the small changes comes to that. Dx is the small change. Okay, it is the x-axis towards the x-axis comes. ये x-axis में ये हो रहे हैं changes. Here y-axis में change हुए. So that's why these changes become to small changes occur. That is equal to what? This is dy. This is equal to what? This is dy. So that's why. So this value becomes to here dy, and this value that is equal to distance is equal to x. So this length, similarly small strips you generate, that strips becomes a rectangle, making rectangle by sum of that rectangle area, that is the total area bounded the curve A C to D. That means here the area becomes to area is equal to, that is A, which is equal to C to D, that the length area, rectangle area into this length into breadth, that is x into dy. Okay, that is the total area, okay, of the curve x is equal to fy from C to D, that is equal to C to D, x dy is equal to the, okay, area of the curve. This way you can find out, this way you can find out. Okay, by increasing or small pieces you generate, and okay, increasing towards the y-axis, that forms some rectangle, and a summation of, by taking that summation of the rectangular area is also total area. Or similarly also this way you can find out. So this is x dy is a formula, another y dx is also another formula. So by taking this formula, we have to find out the area between the, okay, curve, simple curve, or area between bounded region bounded the curve also. Okay, so before finding the area, we have to know some different formula of the conic section and also some definite integral. That is the most important. We have to know about the equation of line. First, we have to find out the slope of line passing through 2 points. This is A, that is x1 y1. This is B, that is x2 y2. E is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is also called tan theta. That is also called M. Similarly, second concept, equation of a line passing through a point A, that is equal to x1 y1, is y minus y1 is equal to slope into, okay, x minus x1, where m is equal to slope of the line. Similarly, that is equation of line passing through a 2 points, that is equal to A, that is x1 and y1, B, that is x2 and y2, is a, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the formula. This is a 2-point formula. This is line concept. Similarly, 4, that is a circle. The circle normal concept, that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay. Here x square, y square r is the radius. Here you can say that is the passing origin. Okay, center passing to the origin. So that's why, and the radius is equal to r. So radius r, origin में center है. So center at origin, radius that is equal to r. So that's why this is the equation. But if you say that is equation x minus h का square plus y minus k का square is equal to r square. That means here center at hk and r is equal to radius. That means diagram looks like this. This is equal to center hk and radius r. So that's why this equation of the circle is equal to x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square is equal to r square. So this technique, if you got this formula, if you use, you can find out the also area. Similarly, ellipse ka now comes to ellipse. Ellipse. That means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That means that diagram comes a. This is the a 0, this is 0, this is 0, b. That means here length of major axis, that is equal to 2a. Length of minor axis, that is equal to 2b. This is the minor, this is the major, this is the center, this is the vertex. So here center at origin. Similarly, x minus h का whole square by b a square plus y minus y minus k का whole square by here b square is equal to 1. The equation looks like here, that is the diagram here, the center hk, center this is equal to hk and this is equal to a, this is equal to b. So that's why this is x-axis, this is y-axis. That means in this diagram comes okay. Similarly, another equation also there. This is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. That means the figure looks like this. Means x-axis here, y-axis here, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0a. This is equal to b0. So okay, this way you have to find out the equation. After finding equation, then you have to find out the area between the curve. Okay. Similarly, another sixth property that is equal to, that is a parabola. That means if you think about the parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax. That is a diagram looks like this. The diagram. This means this is the diagram and this is the focus. This is the focus A0 focus. Okay. Simple diagram you have to. This is the lattice rectum that is equal to lattice rectum. Okay, 4a is the lattice rectum. So taking the lattice rectum, you can find out also. Simple concept. Similarly, here this is the this is a vertex at what? Origin. Vertex at origin, that's why you have to say that y square is equal to 4ax. Similarly, x square is equal to 4ay. That is, figure looks like this way. That means here 0, this is x-axis, here 0, a. That is here you can say that is also directories. This is also directory. This is x is equal to minus a is the directory. Now similarly y is equal to minus a is the directory. This is the equation. If you think about the other diagram, the diagram says that in this way. That means this diagram is towards the what? Negative x-axis. So that's why the equation comes y square is equal to minus 4a. The focus at a negative point, so that minus a0 at focus. So that the directrix comes in this way, that x is equal to a. Similarly, if you want to say that is x minus s ka whole square is equal to 4 y minus k ka whole square, whole, that is k. That value comes in this way. You can say here this point is equal to hk. This point is equal to hk. You know about the simple curve and find the area. You know about the simple curve and find the area. So by using this curve, you have to find out the area, so that you can apply this technique. Okay, if you know, you can better to find out the area. Okay, better to find out the area. This is the sixth conic section concept. Okay, line and conic section concept you have to know first, then you have to find out the area. Then another concept that is equal to what integration formula basically it is. Seventh point is integration concept, that is basically that is x a square minus x square ka root over dx integration, that is equal to x by 2 a square minus x square ka root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. This is equal to 0 to, okay, this plus c. This formula is important. This formula is very important. This formula and some simple integration formula is using. So that much is important. So using this seventh formula, you can find out the area between the curve very easily. Okay, that is first of all you have to know about the seventh formula. सात formula याद रखो, then proceed करो finding the area. Then go to the question. What a question? Simple question you have to find out. So here, suppose you have to take one question. So find the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to suppose 9. That means area निकालने के लिए हमको first of all you have to know about the what diagram. Here this is equal to origin. Origin में center है. Now here this is the radius. Radius is 3, 0 means 3 is the radius. So that's why 3 square. The radius 3. Now you have to find out the what one quadrant का area, एक part का area निकाल के. Okay, this is dx, this is dx, this is. तो इतना सा एरिया निकाल के हमको क्या करना है ना, 4 मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर देना. तो दैट्स व्हाई 0 से 3 तक हमको इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है. किस कर्व के अंडर ना, दिस कर्व के अंडर. Okay, you have to find out then what the curve from 0 to 3. Now area is that is equal to a, which is equal to 0 to 3 simple y dx. Means here dx means this is y, this is dx. So that is a rectangular area, that means length into breadth. What the length, that is equal to y axis, then what the breadth, that is equal to dx. So that's y into dx. What the point is bounded here, 0 to 3 point is given. So but by taking this, you have to find out here what the value comes, that is y square is equal to 3 square minus x square. Now y is equal to 3 square minus x square का whole root of. That's why the value concept, that is 0 to 3, that is 3 square minus x square का root of dx. ये एक का एरिया है, ये एरिया किस, बट ओनली गिवन दिस मच फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द कर्व, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस सर्कल का एरिया मतलब टोटल एरिया, दैट मींस एक एरिया निकाल के 4 पार्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4, सो हियर 4 into दिस का फॉर्मूला है x/2 c स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर का रूट ओवर, ओके, प्लस दिस इज 3 स्क्वायर बाई 2 साइन इनवर्स x/3, दिस इज 0 to 3. So first of all, you know the डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल का कंसेप्ट क्या, अपर लिमिट फास्ट पुट करो माइनस लोअर लिमिट मींस व्हाट ना 3/2 सॉरी 3/2 ये दैट इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 3 स्क्वायर बाई 2 साइन इनवर्स दैट इज 3/3, ओके, 3/3 which is equal to 1 minus this comes to 0 minus sin inverse is 0, okay, why na sin inverse 2 is equal to 0, so that's why this concept comes to 4 into 3 square by 2 sin inverse into pi by 2 to cot, that means 9 pi square unit square, okay, unit, that means this is the okay total area of the सर्कल, सर्कल का टोटल एरिया वो है, ओके, सर्कल का टोटल एरिया वो है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन